Let's get ready to crumble. Hey there folks, Liz here with Simply Delicious Baking. How many of you love you some peach pie? Ooh, Mr. Carter. This video is all about peach pie with a crumbly twist, a secret ingredient that you'll discover later in the video. With this recipe, we are going to ditch the dough and use a sweet, cinnamony, buttery crumble as our crust and our topping. You are going to love this peach pie crumble. Please like and subscribe, and there's a link to this recipe below in the description. Now, let's bake. Let's start off by preheating our oven to 400 degrees, and then let's butter a 9-inch pie pan or spray it with baking spray, and then let's set that aside. To a medium mixing bowl, let's add 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and now, drum roll please, it's time for the big reveal. The secret ingredient is a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg adds a lovely warm flavor to this pie and blends perfectly with the peaches. Let's whisk all of these together. Now, let's add a 1/3 cup of room temperature butter and cut it in with a fork. You will want to cut in the butter until the crumbs are formed. Let's measure out 1 cup of our crumble mixture and press it into the bottom and sides of our prepared pie pan. Let's set that aside. Let's welcome to the recipe our peaches. Let's add 4 cups of sliced peaches to a medium or large mixing bowl. If you don't have fresh peaches, no fear. You can use canned or frozen peaches. If you're using canned peaches, make sure you drain them first. To our peaches, let's add 1/2 cup of sugar, and we're going to mix that with our peaches. Then, let's spoon these sweet, juicy peaches into our pie pan. Let's finish our masterpiece by adding the remainder of our crumble on top of the peaches. We're going to then bake this at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, you can let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes or not. Mercy, I can just smell that peachy cinnamony goodness. Oh my stars, y'all. This is just so divine. What are you waiting for? We've walked through the steps so you can create your own heavenly peach pie crumble. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and there's a link below to this recipe in the description. If you're looking for more peachy goodness, check out my delicious peach cobbler here and my divine peach cake right here. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and one more thing. Peace, love, and peaches.